Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how to put a YouTube video on loop. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So right now you guys can see that I am using a PC, a Chrome browser. This method is for PC users specifically. So I'm just gonna search for any song which is probably copyright free music. Let's just search that, and now we have these few songs. I'm just gonna open one.
Technology, computer.
So you guys can see that the song is running, and usually when a song ends you get these suggestions. Now sometimes you're listening to music and you want that music to play on loop. So what do you do in that case? Let's just go back a little bit and just right click, and there's this option. Right click and there's this option loop. You can click that, and now I'm just gonna go back to the end of the video and you guys can see it will restart. So did you guys see that it automatically loops back? So that is how you turn the loop feature on the Chrome browser, on any browser basically on PC. So thank you for watching. Like, comment and subscribe for more.